Yo, what's up, y'all? C Tech, and I got another pair of Gear IconX 2018s in the black, and I just wanted to do this video because, like, I had to do a whole separate video just for these reasons, and it really surprised me, so I'm gonna show you something. So yeah, you saw the titles. So we actually unboxed the Gear IconX 2018s, not these ones. We actually unboxed another pair of Gear IconX 2018s, but we unboxed these on Jackson's channel. And finally, yeah, he made a channel, so I'll drop the link whenever it's ready and all that, and he had his first video, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna actually show you a couple of things that come with the box now. So the box is still the same design and all that, Gear IconX 2018, but we actually have this now, so that's pretty new. So it tells you how to connect it and all that, and it tells you a pop-up window pops up when you try to connect it to your phone or open the case. So it tells you about turning it on. It tells you that it will actually enter pairing mode, and it'll show a pop-up on a Galaxy phone to pair automatically. Shows you how to wear it, and it shows you in some other languages and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. And then when I got these, they were actually charged. So these are never charged until like this time. So that was actually pretty surprising. But putting that aside right there, there's actually something new in the box here. So let's look at this real quick. So we're gonna go inside of here, right? Now check this out. We have a whole cleaning kit, guys. That's really why I made this video, to be honest with you. Because if you look in the other Gear IconX 2018 unboxings that I did, it did not come with this, but now it does. So that's pretty cool. So I appreciate Samsung for putting these in the box now, because these are definitely gonna be useful, and not me having to use some 99.9 disinfectant wipe or something like that to clean them. So it has a whole cleaning kit, guys. So that's pretty cool. But guys, it's not even just a cleaning kit. So look at this. So if you know, on the Gear IconX 2018s, actually let me go get these real quick. Here on the Gear IconX 2018s, you can see inside of here, maybe here, let me take this off. You can see this little, kind of thing right here. I don't really know what it's called. They actually have replacements for that now, guys. So that's definitely going to be useful, because like I definitely need one of these. So thank you, Samsung, for putting these in here. Like, that's really helpful. And on top of that, we have a whole thing right here. So let's look at this real quick. So it tells you on how to clean them and all that. It tells you can put them in there and all that. And it shows you on how to clean them. So you actually get that wet. I think you put in some water or something like that, the little brush. And then you actually clean them. So that's pretty cool. Like, I'm really feeling that. So again, thank you, Samsung, for doing that. All you gotta do is just brush it and stuff like that. That is a nice additional thing to come in the box. So I assume that if you get the Gear IconX 2018 on the Samsung website or Amazon or something like that, you will get this cleaning kit and all that now. So definitely a nice improvement, and definitely a nice addition to the box. Nothing else came really except for the instructions and that. But that's pretty cool. So yeah, I felt I had to do a whole separate video on that just to show this off, because I really like that they did that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one, and peace out.